Good evening, one and all. Now we are going to develop a spoken tutorial related with first law of thermodynamics applied to closed system. Here we are from the remote center 1173 Tyagaraja College of Engineering, Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Totally our batch has 5 members. Mr. B. Jagan is acting as a team leader. Next member, Mr. A. Valanarasu, Mr. G. Narasimhamurthy, Mr. T. Kadiravan, Mr. Rajabhakya. Now, during this spoken tutorial, we are going to deal with a problem that was given by our professor, Mr. Gaitonde, during the IST workshop, which was conducted by IIT Mumbai. Right. We are going to deal with the first law of thermodynamics applied to closed system, a simple exercise problem. Right. Now I am going to read that problem. 3 kg of air in a rigid container changes its state from 5 bar and 75 degrees centigrade to 12 bar while it is stirred. The heat absorbed is 195 kilojoule. Assume air to be an ideal gas with a specific heat at constant volume of 0.714 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Now we have to determine the final temperature, change in internal energy and work done. Now we have to make a note of the given data which was given in the problem, right? Mass M equal to 3 kg, the initial pressure P1 equal to 5 bar, which has been converted into Newton per meter square, nothing but 5 into 10 power 5 Newton per meter square. The final pressure P2 equal to 12 bar, which has been converted into Newton per meter square, is nothing but 12 into 10 power 5 Newton per meter square. The heat absorbed equal to plus 195 kilojoule, right? The positive sign here, the positive sign indicates that heat is absorbed by the system, so we are indicated in positive. Next, the specific heat at constant volume equal to 0.714 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Initial temperature equal to 75 degrees centigrade, which has been converted into Kelvin scale, nothing but simply adding 75 plus 273, that equal to 348 Kelvin. Before going to solving this problem, we have to derive the steps that we have to follow during solving this problem. Right? Here we are deriving 3 steps, nothing but to solving this problem. Number 1, since it is a rigid container, it is nothing but a closed system. For rigid container, the volume is fixed, so this can be assumed as a constant volume process, constant volume closed system process. Number 2, here air is used as an ideal gas, so air can be treated as an ideal gas, which is the fluid that has been used in our problem. Right. Now we have to find the following properties, nothing but the final temperature T2, the change in internal energy del U, and the work done, stirrer work done. Now we have to deal with the solution. We are going to deal with the solution. We know that the first law of thermodynamics applicable to closed system process, Q equal to del E plus W, that del E change in energy includes internal energy, potential energy, kinetic energy, etc. Since it is a closed system, so we can neglect potential energy and kinetic energy. We can include only the change in internal energy. So the first law relation can be converted into Q equal to del U plus W instead of Q equal to del E plus W. This relation Q equal to del U plus W net, that W net is nothing but net work done, because here the stirrer work is also encountered in this problem. So the W net is equal to the sum of expansion work and stirrer work, right? So now the same relation can be converted into Q equal to del U plus W stirrer plus W expansion. We have already noticed that since it is a rigid container, so the volume is constant, so automatically the expansion work will get cancelled, right? So Q equal to del U plus W stirrer, that expansion work is 10 to 0. For constant volume process, the ideal gas relation is P1 by T1, that is nothing but the ratio of initial pressure to the initial temperature equal to the ratio of final pressure to the final temperature. We already note that the given data, that is P1 equal to 5 bar, T1 equal to 348 Kelvin, P2 equal to 12 bar, and we don't know the property final, that is final temperature T2. From this ideal gas relation for constant volume process, we can find the final temperature T2 equal to 835.2 Kelvin. Next step, we have to find the change in internal energy. Since it is a ideal, air is an ideal gas, so internal energy is a function of temperature. So we can write the relation del U equal to M into CV into temperature difference. So we already note the value M equal to 3 kg, CV equal to 0.714 kilojoule per kg Kelvin, and the final temperature that was already found out, we already found that value 835.2 Kelvin, and the initial temperature 348 Kelvin. After calculating this, the value of change in internal energy equal to 1043.15 kilojoule, right? Now we have to substitute this del U value in that first law of thermodynamics applicable to closed system, that is nothing but Q equal to del U plus stirrer, W stirrer. From that we can find the value of W stirrer is nothing but W stirrer equal to Q minus del U. That Q value is already given in the problem, and the del U value we are already found out that value. By subtracting this Q minus del U, the W stirrer value equal to minus 848.15 kilojoule. That negative sign in the W stirrer work indicates that work done on the system. Okay, we now regarding with this problem, we have found all the unknown properties, right? That's all about this problem. Once more, thank you. இல்ல டைமிங் எங்களுக்கு எடுக்கணும்ல.